Hello and welcome to the video. In this video, we'll talk about how to download and install TeslaSCADA2 software on Linux. To do it, let's visit our site and choose menu item Download TeslaSCADA2, then click Download button next to Linux 64-bit. Let's go to the Downloads folder. Extract zip file in the Downloads folder. Let's check content of the folder. It contains brochure, license, user manual, and quick start tutorial, and 2 execution packages. Let's install these packages on Linux. To do this, extract installation package here. This will install TeslaSCADA IDE on the Linux OS. It takes some time to extract files of installing package. That's it. We've got installed TeslaSCADA IDE on Linux. Now let's open this folder and open TeslaSCADA IDE by clicking this icon. I accidentally launched 2 applications at the same time. Just close one application and it's ready to work. In the same way, we can install TeslaSCADA2 runtime. Thank you for watching. If you've got any questions, do not hesitate to ask by email or in our forum.